Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to purchase Amazon Prime Video. So guys, make sure to stick around till the very end to completely understand how to subscribe and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. So first thing that you will do is open up a web browser onto your device. And from here, just simply go to this website, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. So just type that in the URL, and from here it will redirect you over to this page, and just simply tap on start your free 30-day trial. So from here, when you tap on that, just simply go ahead and provide your account details like your email and password. So now guys, once you have provided your details, just tap on sign in, and after that, a code will be sent to your email. So just simply go to your email and just simply copy the code, and you'll be able to tap on a submit code to proceed. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and add a credit or debit card over here, and just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. So from here guys, just simply provide your card number at the top, and down below, just provide your expiry date, the month, and include the year. And at the side, just go for your security code. And down below, just provide your first and the last name of your card. And once you have provided the information, just simply tap on add and continue. And after that, down below, just simply provide a code if you have a gift card, vouchers, and promotional codes. And once you are done, you can just tap on continue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.